This is the letter U. And this is the lowercase u. U makes the sound, like in the word umbrella. Ha! Just in time. The letter U.
Drag the letter U into the bowl. Great! You put the letter U into the bowl. Drag the letter R into the bowl. Great! You put the letter R into the bowl. Which one has the letter U? Tap it.
U.
Good job! Which truck has the letter G? Tap it.
G.
Good thinking! Which vehicle has the letter U? Tap it.
U.
Good work! Which one has the letter F? Tap it.
F.
Great! Trace the lowercase letter U. Great! You traced the letter U.
This is the uppercase letter U. The letter U makes the sound, like in the word umbrella.
Pop all the bubbles with the letter U.
U. U. U.
Great! You popped the bubbles with the letter U. Pop all the bubbles with the letter R.
R. R. R.
Great! You popped the bubbles with the letter R. Can you find the letter U? Tap them all. You did it! You found them. Can you find the letter G? Tap them all.
G. 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 G.
Great job! Can you find the letter U? Tap them all. You did it! You found them. Can you find the letter F? Tap them all. Awesome! Trace the uppercase letter U. Great! You traced the letter U.